Hello YouTube, let's learn some cat power. That's Loving Communication off her album The Greatest. She also does a different arrangement of the song. I'm not doing that arrangement. It's not the one that I'm familiar with. I'm doing the one right from the album. Your chord progression is F, D, A, E. And that just repeats over and over. So it's what I would call a vamp. They're just kind of playing off that progression. So let's get right into it and look at the chords. I played a full F bar chord. If you can't do that, that's all right. Just play the simplified partial shape of your index on your second string, first fret, middle finger, second fret, third string, ring finger, third fret, fourth string. Just shaped like a ladder. If you're not familiar with it, look at a chord diagram of a bar chord, and you're just playing the partial notes of that, the three that are like a stair. So we got F, D, A, E. That's the whole song. So I showed it to you in the open position. Another way you can play it is with power chords. So at the 8th fret, 5th string, we have the root, and the 10th fret, 4th string, we have the 5th. Because I have distortion on, it sounds very full. If you're playing on an acoustic guitar, you probably wouldn't want to use this technique. You'd want to stick to the open position. Let's go over those chords with the power chords. You're just playing the root and the 5th. F, D is at the 5th fret. A is at the 5th fret, but you just drop down to the 6th string. So it's right there. And then you go to the E at the 7th fret. And you can slide right into the F, which is right one fret up. Another way you can play it is just with the A-shaped position. You can play it with one finger and just hit the 3 strings. Don't hit the high E. That won't sound good. So if you're going to play it that way, the F is going to be on the 10th fret. Your E is going, your D is going to be at the 7th fret. Your A is going to be your regular A. And your E is going to be at the 9th fret. You could also reach for the A up on the 14th fret, because we know at the 12th the octave repeats. So all your shapes you learn in the open position can be played up here on the 12th through the 15th fret. So we just have the same A here as up here. So that would sound like this. So you can mix that in. The guitar riff you hear at the beginning of the song is arpeggio on the F, the simplified F shape. You're just going to pick the individual strings, then hammer on to the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Then you can go right into the A. So that's it. Just played one time at the beginning of the song. The piano plays a riff that repeats. So that's using your A minor pentatonic at the 5th fret. Look up a scale diagram. If you're not familiar with that, you're going to start at the 1st string, 5th fret. You're going to skip down to the 2nd string. Then you're going to skip to the 3rd string. And you're going to just be playing mostly the 5th and the 7th frets, but there's one note on the 8th. The last riff I'll show you from the song is played by the guitar, and it's what I would call a unison bend, because you can have 2 notes and you're trying to get them the same. Your index finger is going to be on the 10th fret, 2nd string, and your ring finger is going to be on the 12th fret, 3rd string. Use a pick for this type of playing. So for this bend, you're going to start on the 3rd string by picking that note and then bending it. And then as you're bending it, you're going to just let your hand continue down to pluck the 2nd string. And that's the riff, and it's a very common one in rock music. You'll hear it all the time. The last thing I want to do is kind of do a little demo so you can tell where the vocals come in. Love and communication. 'Cause I found you on the phone. Learning more and more about less and less. The way she delivers the vocals is in the rhythm is like you're speaking. She just kind of spitting out the lyrics. Okay, so that's should get you through Cat Power's Love and Communication. If you're playing an acoustic guitar, you probably want to use the open position and do some palm muting as you need to. And that's just silencing the strings with kind of like the karate chop part of your hand. So I hope you enjoyed the song. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.